Hey everyone, I'm Aisha, also known as iSky24.3. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm showing you how to draw a female fashion illustration. So now I'm drawing the eyes, then move to the nose and the lips. For guidelines, I'm using head scale as this figure is based on 9 heads. Let's talk about the marking of the face. I've drawn a rectangle 3 cm in length and 1.5 cm in width. You can see in this picture. Here I got the proper guidelines for the eyes, nose and the lips. Now I'm removing the guidelines of the face. Oops, I removed the face feature by mistake while removing the reference lines, but no worries, I draw them back again. Now I'm drawing the chest area, and the distance between the collarbone and the chest is the distance of one head length, and the width of the chest is equal to the 2 heads. Similarly, the width of the shoulders are equal to the length of 2 heads. As you can see that I have drawn a curvy line in the middle of her torso starting from the collarbone and ends to the crouch point. At this stage, I'm drawing the neck and the collarbone. The distance between the chin and the collarbone is half of the head length. The middle line is not straight because she isn't standing straight. Then I'll draw the bust line of the croquis by applying rounded shape. Now I'm drawing 2 diagonal lines connecting to the crouch line and the hip bones at the both sides. Afterwards, I'm drawing the hip curves and then adding small circle in the middle of the hip line. I also drew the ankle circle and a vertical line from the middle of this circle to the middle of the knee. Here I'm drawing the other leg by using the same method with which I've drawn the first one. So the distance between the knee and the ankle is equal to the length of 2.5 head, and the length of the foot is equal to the length of 1 head. The drawing process of the arm is same as the process of the legs. For arms, I've drawn 3 circles, one at the shoulder point, the other at the elbow point, and the third at the waist point. Another point I want to add here is that the elbow point is right at the waist point and the wrist is at the crouch point, and the hands will be below to the crouch. After that, I remove all the guidelines and define the outlines of the whole croquis. So the best thing is, before getting into the details, what I mean is mark your foundation first and then add details. Now I'm drawing the hairs. The hairs of this model are tied up in the hair bun at the back of the head. And right here, I'm going to show you how to draw a dress on a croquis. First, I'm drawing the train and adding some details right at the back of the legs. Then draw the skirt and add wrinkles in the knee point as this is a slim fit dress. And also the belt of the dress by marking 2 horizontal lines at the waist. And you can see that I'm drawing the folds of the casket by marking wavy overlapped lines, and then draw the vertical lines to show the fold of the fabric. Here I'm adding the details, also the darker values of the folds, the creases and the wrinkles on the dress. At this stage, I'm drawing the neckline of the dress by applying different type of cut lines. And finally, I've drawn a suitable neckline according to the silhouette of this dress. At the end, I hope you have learned a lot from this tutorial, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next tutorial. Till then, take care, bye bye.